Hi everybody, and welcome to the Teri's Crafty Christmas drawing for the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group. And I want to thank Natalie for doing this collaboration with me for this Christmas. It's been wonderful, and her kits were wonderful, and I'm just very excited about it. It turned out really great. Now, one of the prizes that we're going to be drawing for is a physical prize, and to win that physical prize, you must live in the United States. Now, the digital prizes, the junk journal kits, of course, you can live anywhere. It doesn't make any difference at all. But I can't afford to mail outside the U.S. I apologize. And so if you win the grab bag today, you have to live in the U.S. If you don't live in the U.S., get a hold of me anyway. Because we'll try to work something out for you. Now, if you win in today's drawing, which I forgot to say in the Junk Journal Tutorials and More drawing video, so I hope you watched all three, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and this one. If you win, then you need to get a hold of me and find out how to get your prize. And all you have to do is send me a message through Messenger, which is easy enough. You know, you just click on my name in the group. Yeah, so the three prizes that are not the physical prize are one junk journal kit from LineDotArrow, 2 junk journal kits, and then 3 junk journal kits, and then the physical prize, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and go for the 1 junk journal kit. Oh, we had 115 entries. And that's going to be 83. And that's Beatrice. Now, you know, she won in the Junk Journal Tutorials and More, I think, prize drawing too. So it goes to show you, it does serve you to enter in more than one drawing. Okay, so now this is for 2 Junk Journal kits from LineDotArrow. Number 115. And that's Daleen. And that's 2 junk journal kits. And I'm not just putting first, second, and third this time because I'm not going to try to confuse myself. And now the prize drawing for 3 junk journal kits by LineDotArrow. Number 52. And that's going to be Renee Stockwell, and Renee won in one of the other drawings as well. I think she won 1 in the Sweet Pea Papers. No, Junk Journal Tutorial. Never mind, I'm not going to try to remember. And then this is for the physical prize, the Junk Journal grab bag. And that's number 8. There we go. Finally, a number outside the middle. And that's Corey. Now, wait a minute. Did Corey win in this one? Or no, I think she won in one of the other ones. Let me double check. 3. That's right. She won in one of the other ones. So, like I said, everybody who won in this drawing won in one of the other drawings. So make sure that you enter in the multiple drawings so that you can have a chance to win more than one prize. Now, next year, which I forgot to mention in the other 2, but next year we're going to go with 5 prizes, but only 1 junk journal kit per prize. And that gives more people a chance to win. Plus, the people that enter a lot and win a lot don't end up with not having anything to pick from because they've already got 90 kits from Natalie, okay? And not that that's a bad thing. We want you to have lots of kits by Natalie because they're great. But you know what I mean. So that's going to be it for this drawing. And I will see you at the end of next month for next month's drawing. And after you watch tomorrow's video, you'll know that that's going to be a great fun thing. Don't forget to watch tomorrow's video, which is the monthly update. And it's going to be a year-end roundup and then an introduction to next year. Okay? All right, well, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.